Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So Massey Art Studio came out with this awesome new product, the Leaky Cup, and I cannot wait to try it out. I will be sure to link it down in the description so you guys can buy one if you would like. I'm using a Loli Vefe silicone bowl, and I'm going to be using a bunch of warm colors. So these are all Mixed Media Girl pouring paints, and I'm going to be using white, orange, yellow, and red, pretty much, with some copper. And I'm going to be using some Merlot, which is a dark red, for contrast. So I want to have something that kind of stands out a bit. And all of these can be purchased on mixedmediagirl.com. So I'm using a 10 by 10 canvas for this one. And for that, I need about 6.5 ounces of paint. And these silicone bowls are, I think, either 8 or 10 ounces. So I filled up what I think is about 6.5 ounces. And now for the fun part. I will be trying this also as a clean pour in the future, but for this video, I really wanted to try it as a dirty pour. So I'm pretty excited. And man, oh man, that is awesome. All right, so I also need to try this out on a spinner to maintain that amazing shape. I'm gonna add just a little bit more paint here. So I think as is, I'm gonna have to stretch it a little too much. And I really like this design. So just in case, I don't want to mess it up, I'm going to add this additional paint around the side. Okay, that's plenty. Yeah, so you can see how awesome that would be to be spun out, right? But for this video, we're going to just tilt it, and then I'll do another video where I put it on my spinner and spin it out. And I'll do one also where I'm doing it as a clean pour, which just means I'll be putting the colors in there one at a time instead of putting them in the bowl and then on the canvas or in the cup. Okay, that is a super fun design. Look how awesome that is. I'm gonna go ahead and raise this up so it can dry properly, and I'll bring you guys in for a close-up. All right, so I can already tell that I'm going to absolutely love this tool. I'm gonna have so much fun experimenting with it. Look at that crazy pattern. So stay tuned for videos with this on a spinner and as a clean pour instead of a dirty pour. Please check out the Massey Art Studio YouTube channel and also check out their Leaky Cup product. And I'll see you all next time.